Importance of individualization and socialization in nursing. First, care. For client-oriented care, need knowledge of socialization and individualization. Second, cure. Socialization and individualization. Use as a social medicine to treat mental illness as well as physical difficulties, mainly blood pressure, stress. 3. Prevention. The socialization and individualization used to prevent the diseases. 4. Promotion. The socialization and individualization used to promote holistic health, physical health, mental health, and social well-being. 5. Nursing management. The concept of socialization and individualization used to effectively execution of the management services in hospitals and communities. Mainly better planning, mainly nursing plan, organizing and directing services. 6. Patient health education. As a nurse, need to educate about individualization and socialization for comprehensive health. 7. Counseling. Client-oriented guidance. 8. Nursing research. Nurses need to use this knowledge for every aspect of nursing research, including research, problem formulation, hypothesis making, research design, data interpretation, and report writing, etc. All nursing disciplines use this knowledge, including maternal health, to promote individualization and socialization among mothers. Second, pediatric nursing for child health. 3. Medical surgical nursing to manage the disease conditions and surgical conditions. 4. Mental health nursing to prevent mental illness and therapeutic initiatives. 5. Community health nursing. In community settings, the individualization and socialization is essential to promote healthier communities. Next section, summary and conclusion. Hence, concepts such as individualization, society, socialization, personal disorganization, interaction of body, mind and society affect or influence health. For example, lack of individualization or lack of socialization affect health. It is used as a social medicine to treat or cure the diseases. Hence, these concepts should be applied to nursing for comprehensive nursing services. Then solve the social problems, mainly to solve health problems. promote sustainable peace and development in our society. These all the knowledge essential and fundamental need. Thank you. Have a nice day.